Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the importance of the tree in architecture. Without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Before that, we must talk about sustainability. Let's start with sustainable city. What are the challenges facing green areas? While green areas are identitary and core to the city both historically and geographically, they are also central to many challenges and obstacles. The explosion in urban population is partly to blame for this. In 2007, the world's urban population had exceeded its rural population, and by the year 2050, the world's urban population is expected to increase by up to 65%. Overcrowding and consequential unplanned growth have resulted in environmental degradation on a variety of scales. Planning of sustainable cities and the revitalization of green city areas contribute largely towards upgrading environmental quality, thus serving as a fundamental catalyst for change. Sustainable development projects taking place in green city areas tend to attract a variety of economic activity and competition, therefore encouraging both new inhabitants and visitors to revisit and rediscover these restored vicinities of their cities. Moreover, upgrading the physical built environment, social fabric and urban spaces within the historical urban structure all contribute towards increasing their adoption as places for public congregation and activity. This consequently increases social interaction and cohesion between citizens. The green core city of Baku is considered the green hub of the capital city Baku of the Asferon Peninsula in Azerbaijan. The green core city of Baku is situated directly along the Caspian Sea. It is bounded by natural elements in several directions. It is important to identify Baku as an historical city, whose urban structure has evolved over time until it reached the present state. The term green architecture has enlarged its boundaries, and infrastructure, technology, ecology, art network systems are combined in one total vision. Sustainable planning, as a set of ideas and frameworks, lays new ground for design and urbanistic practices. Performance-based, research-oriented, logistics-focused, networked. Nowadays, the green architecture of the city becomes commodified as a cultural product, ironically rendering many cities less and less distinguishable from one another. The 5 fundamentals of planning sustainable strategies are: perform well the functions for which they are designed, be long-lasting and adaptable to new uses, respond well to their surroundings and enhance their context, have a visual coherence and create delight for users and passers-by, be sustainable, non-polluting, energy efficient, easily accessible, and have a minimal environmental impact. The 3 pillar concepts or the 3 dimensions of sustainability are environmental, social, economic sustainability, whereas social sustainability depends on the economic one and vice versa. Both strongly depend on environmental sustainability. The dependency of the environment from social and economic sustainability is much smaller. For millions of years, the environment has managed well without both of them. Therefore, of the 3, environmental sustainability must be society's top priority. The environmental sustainability comes first. The social and economic sustainability are dependent systems. Those who will suffer when no sustainability is achieved are the beneficiaries of the sustainability concept. We need to maintain the quality and quantity of the natural resources, also named natural capital, constant over time. Here are some closely related social, economic, environmental factors. Starting by the social factors, we got demographic changes, poverty, inequality, health, security, quality of life. Jumping to the economic ones, too rapid and unprecedented growth of the global population and the economy. Finally, the environmental factors, atmosphere and ecosystems under pressure. Now into the main part of the video, the importance of trees in architecture. Environmental benefits. Tree canopies provide valuable habitat for all kinds of species, helping restore and maintain healthy species diversity. They prevent soil erosion, protecting urban hillsides and slopes from destructive force of rainwater. They produce oxygen. An acre of mature trees can generate enough oxygen for 18 people a year, regulating urban climate. Urban trees are an effective tool in cooling down cities and towns, fulfilling two important functions. They use solar energy to convert water inside them into water vapor, thus preventing it from being transferred into the actual heat. They shade people and buildings from direct exposure to the sun, thus reducing overheating and excessive heating through windows that creates an internal greenhouse effect. Community benefits. Green infrastructure reduces crime in several ways. Urban trees produce a more relaxing environment, reducing anxiety and aggression. Trees and greenery encourage people to spend more time outdoors, increasing surveillance and discouraging antisocial behavior. Green and landscaped urban areas inspire higher levels of residents' attention and involvement in watching over the property and each other. Economic benefits. Tree-lined areas and retail districts with enhanced green infrastructure create an attractive environment that encourages shoppers to linger longer. Trees also make a significant contribution to the value of property in a neighborhood. The tree is an essential resource for our society. The advantages that the tree can provide in the urban environment are multiple. It can have ecological, aesthetic, social, and even economic functions. As architects, we should not neglect the tree, and we must take it into consideration, especially in our designs.